Sharpening a chisel. Firstly, lubricate the stone with oil. Now place the chisel on the stone and use the angle template to find the sharpening angle. On a bevel edge chisel, this is normally 30 to 35 degrees. Hold the chisel as shown. Keeping your wrist firm, rub the cutting edge back and forth along the length of the stone. As the stone is much wider than the chisel, use a figure 8 motion so as not to wear a hollow in the stone. Stand comfortably and sway the body back and forth, ensuring to keep the wrists firm. When satisfied, lap the back of the chisel to remove the burr. Hone it. Lap it again. And hone it again. With the oil wiped away, here we can see the sharpened cutting edge.